Hello, this is Tracy Hellickson working with Western's Academic Excellence and Development Division to share information about how to transfer your current Blackboard course information into the new standard Blackboard shell. Blackboard offers two main options: copying individual items into the standard course shell, or revising imported or copied course materials to match the standard course shell. In this video, we will cover option 2, revising imported or copied course materials. As a reminder, a standard Blackboard shell has these menu items: announcements, assignments, contact information, my grades, syllabus and schedule, and tools. You also have the option to add up to 2 custom buttons placed in alphabetical order. When you copy or import a course, the buttons will look different than those of the standard Blackboard shell, so the next step is to rename or delete buttons and move items around to be consistent with the standard course shell. Let's take this course as an example. In this example, I copied a previous course into an existing course, so I have all of the buttons that I copied into the course and all of the buttons that come preloaded into the standard course shell. As a result, I need to delete some buttons. For example, I now have one button that says Syllabus and Calendar from my previous Blackboard course, and one button that says Syllabus and Schedule from the standard course shell. Because the information that I want to post is actually under the old Syllabus and Calendar button, I will delete the Syllabus and Schedule button from the list. I can do this by clicking on the drop-down list, choosing the Delete option, and confirming my choice. Next, to make my buttons match the standard course shell, I need to rename the Syllabus and Calendar button to Syllabus and Schedule, then drag the button to its appropriate alphabetical location. I can change the name by clicking on the drop-down list, choosing Rename Link, typing a new name for the button, and confirming my choice by clicking on the green check mark. Then I will drag the button to the correct alphabetical location. I will continue to follow this process until my buttons match the standard Blackboard shell. Note that I can still choose to have up to 2 custom buttons in alphabetical order on my course menu. Next, I have more changes to make to match my new course with the standard course shell. For example, my previous course had a link to a discussion forum called the Writer's Lounge. I would like to keep that link as one of my 2 optional custom buttons, so I will drag that button to its correct alphabetical location. Additionally, Blackboard Help is not part of the standard course shell, and because I didn't use it in the past, I do not want to include it as an optional custom button. Instead, I will simply delete this button. The same goes for the discussion board button. Next, I will be sure to add my contact information in the contact information section. We have a separate video that covers how to add instructor contact information. Now I have a course menu consistent with the standard Blackboard shell. It has the 6 standard buttons: announcements, assignments, contact information, my grade, syllabus and schedule, and tools. It also has one of 2 optional custom buttons, Writer's Lounge, placed alphabetically in the list. We hope this information will be helpful as you create your own version of the standard Blackboard shell.